Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your videos and how you can stretch the text as well on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to make a meme video, I'm just going to select this video. You are going to disable uniform scale here, and as you can see, you can scale the height and even the width. If you want it to go back to normal, just type 100 or double tap on scale height. So I'm just going to stretch it really a lot like that, and as you can see, the video is super stretched. You can also do that to text here. I'm just going to type in the word ogre. Going to also select this as a font, turn off uniform scale, and as you can see, you can also stretch out the text as well if you'd like to. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.